Behavioral design blends the art of creativity with the science of human behavior. But let's break down the science part a bit. What do we mean when we talk about behavioral science? Think of behavioral science as a big umbrella term. It covers a variety of academic fields, each peeling back a different layer of human behavior. When someone mentions behavioral science, they're likely referring to a mix of disciplines that all dive deep into why we do what we do. These fields include psychology, social psychology, neuroscience, and behavioral economics. Each one offers unique insights that help us understand people on a deeper level. This understanding not only enlightens us, but also opens up various paths for designing environments, products, and systems that better match human behavior. Let's quickly explore each field to see how they contribute to our understanding and how their insights fuel innovative and effective behavioral design. Starting with psychology, it's like the compass that guides us through the complex landscape of the mind. Psychology dives deep into how we perceive the world, make decisions, and experience emotions. It brings us key concepts like motivation theories, which spotlight what drives our actions, cognitive biases, which are like mental shortcuts that sometimes lead us astray, and the dynamics of learning and memory, crucial for how we pick up and hang on to new information. Next, we blend psychology with economics to get behavioral economics. This field challenges the old-school idea that we're all rational decision-makers. Instead, it shows that our choices are often swayed by perceived gains and losses, not just the cold facts. It introduces us to the idea of bounded rationality, recognizing that our decision-making power has limits. Then there are nudges, those clever little tweaks to our environment that push us towards better choices, subtly yet powerfully. Switching to social psychology, this is where we see how much others influence us. This field explores how our surroundings, the people around us, shape our thoughts, feelings, and actions. It looks at conformity, our natural drive to fit in with our group, and social norms, the unspoken rules that dictate acceptable behavior in society. And then there's neuroscience. It's the science of what's happening under the hood in our brain. It's not just about neurons and synapses. It's about understanding the pathways that control decision-making and behavior from a biological and neurological point of view. Neuroscience explores how neurotransmitters, like dopamine and serotonin, influence our mood and motivations, and it examines the brain's reward system, crucial for understanding how habits form and how we can change them. Let's also acknowledge sociology and anthropology. Sociology explores how social structures and trends influence behavior, providing a broad societal view. Anthropology delves into how cultures shape behaviors and beliefs, offering a deep dive into human diversity. Together, they enrich behavioral design by adding cultural and social context to our understanding. Each of these disciplines, psychology, behavioral economics, social psychology, neuroscience, sociology, and anthropology, brings its own tools, approaches, and insights to the table. They help us see all the different aspects of human behavior. For those of us in the fields of design, change-making, or research, embracing these insights allows us to grasp the complexity of human decision-making and action-taking fully. It helps us identify the mechanisms that drive behavior and use a diverse array of tools to create effective, behavior-centered solutions.